In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some basic features in Mailchimp. Now, if you're just getting started with Mailchimp or simply brushing up on your skills, don't worry. We're going to break down this process into a few straightforward steps to ensure you're comfortable and confident. First off, head over to the Mailchimp website. Opening up Mailchimp is our gateway to managing your email campaigns efficiently. Once you've logged in, you'll immediately see your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your previous campaigns, analytics, and tools. If you're new to Mailchimp, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard. Knowing your way around here will save you a lot of time in the future. Next, we're going to dive into the Contents section. This is where you can start creating the visual elements of your email campaign. Once you're in Contents, you can edit existing images or add new ones to your templates. To do this, click on the Edit button and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can make the necessary adjustments to your chosen image. From cropping to adjusting brightness or contrast, there are quite a few options available to spruce up your visuals. Adding compelling images can significantly increase engagement rates, so don't shy away from experimenting with these tools to find what best suits your campaign's message. After tweaking your image to your satisfaction, the next step is to go over to Text. By simply clicking on text, you'll automatically place text over the image. This feature is incredibly useful for creating visual harmony in your emails, combining both text and imagery seamlessly. Here you can adjust font size, style, and color to make the text complement the imagery you've just updated. Striking this balance is crucial because it impacts how easily your message can be digested by your audience. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you've created a visually appealing and cohesive email that can effectively engage your audience. Whether your goal is to promote an event, share news, or offer a deal, these enhancements can be the key to grabbing attention and driving action. As a friendly reminder, don't rush through this process. Taking your time to carefully craft your email will undoubtedly yield better results. It's all about the details, and attention to these simple steps can really elevate your entire email marketing strategy. I hope you found this guide helpful, whether you're new to Mailchimp or just sharpening your skills. Don't hesitate to explore further and discover all the amazing features Mailchimp offers. After all, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll dive into more insightful tips and tricks. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep connecting with your audience.